Welcome to Transnet Freight Rail. It's the only rail freight company in South Africa, and it's the biggest division in Transnet. Transnet focuses on transporting rail freight. It offers services to customers in the mining, manufacturing, agriculture, forestry, intermodal and automotive segments in the economy. It has a network of steel sinews that touches the whole of South Africa and reaches out deep into the heart of the continent. We are a world-class operation with a rail infrastructure that represents nearly 80% of Africa's total and transports the vast majority of its raw materials and manufactured goods. Our company is committed to the ongoing delivery of its hardcore commitments to the people of this country and this region. With an annual revenue of over 18 billion rand and a staff complement of over 24,000 employees, we have a huge impact on South Africa's economy. Join us on our journey to safety through Transnet Freight Rail. Here at Transnet Freight Rail, our journey to safety starts with you. Railway operations are extremely complex. The mere size of the machinery we operate makes this a very dangerous environment to work in. This can be a breeding ground for disaster if you are not fully prepared, not fully informed, and not fully aware of the potential dangers around you. Dangers like high voltage overhead equipment, massive moving rolling stock, uneven walkways and obstructions, road vehicles on the move in and around the yards, the many level crossings we have, the transportation and handling of dangerous goods. These could pose a threat to you. We are serious about safety. We are committed to providing a safe environment for you, but you need to play your part and take up your responsibility. We need your support to work with us. This journey to safety is not one that you take alone. It is one that we will take together. Together we can ensure you return safely to your family and friends. Your safety, my safety, and our safety. If you are going to work with us, you need to keep to some basic and golden rules to make sure your safety and the safety of Transnet Freight Rail employees who may be working with you is top of mind all the time. You need to pre-arrange your visit. When you arrive, report to the place you arranged to meet your Transnet Freight Rail host. You will be asked to do a substance abuse test. This could also be done randomly during your visit. No firearms are allowed on the premises. Your host will take you through a safety briefing and you will be shown the emergency evacuation procedures and the restroom facilities. As a visitor, you may be unfamiliar with the area, and it is important you are with your host at all times. You may also be a part of a regular inspection. Wear the correct personal protective equipment all the time. Smoking is only allowed in the smoking areas that have been made available to you, which your host will show you. You are not allowed to take any photographs. You may not use cell phones in the operational areas. This is strictly prohibited. You need to be a licensed driver. You must wear your seatbelt at all times, and you must keep to the speed limit and obey the road rules. When you approach a level crossing, you must come to a complete stop, check that it is safe to move on, and then proceed with caution. Remember, in our environment, trains have the right of way at all times. You may not go into unauthorized areas. This will be regarded as trespassing. You may not attempt to operate machinery that doesn't fall into your ambit of responsibility. Horseplay is not allowed, nor is interference with Transnet Freight Rail employees. You may not step on the railhead when crossing tracks. You may not cross between or under wagons, even if they're stationary. And when you leave, you must be accompanied by your host. By keeping to these rules, You will help to make a safe working environment for all. Play your part in this safety journey. It is a team effort. Enjoy your stay.